Hey, it's Scott with Donuts Garage. How you doing today? Well, this week we are doing a tutorial on changing the headlights on a 2015 Chevy Impala. Stay tuned. Before we jump into this week's video, I'd like to invite you to the Midwest #1 Adventure and Travel Consumer Show, the More Overlanding and Off-Road Expo. It'll be held April 21st through 22nd, 2023 at the Ozark Empire Fairgrounds in Springfield, Missouri. Be sure to use the code DUNNAGEGAR10 for 10% off your ticket prices, and we look forward to seeing you there because we will be there as the storyteller. Now let's get to the video. We're going to start off by doing the driver's side headlight. It's right in front of where you fill your windshield wiper squirter. Later in the video I realized taking out this fill port makes this a lot easier. So here's how you do it. In the rest of the video though, you will notice it wasn't taken out at that time. It really just pops out pretty easy. Save yourself some headache and do that first. There is a wire loom right behind this area as well. I did have to use a socket or a extension to push that down just to gain access. But whatever you can do, just don't break and cut the wires. While not critical when taking the old bulb out, when putting the new bulb in, you do want to wear gloves so you don't get grease or dirt on the bulb and cause premature burnout. A pick will also help remove the clip on the bulb so you can pop that out as well. Now over to the passenger side, there's a little bit more room to do this. Again, this outer lid's just quarter turn that and it'll pop off. They are a little tight, a little hard to get to. Inside is the headlight bulb. Again, that's about a quarter turn. It pops out. It's keyed so it only goes in one way. And here in a second I'm going to show you how to break a camera. Yep. This video just went sideways. So from this point on, if there's any blemishes in the video, it's because I did damage the lens. Tried to get through it with the rest of this. So, sorry. Quick, easy project. I think it took total of about a half an hour. Headlights came from a local parts store, were about 50 bucks, 55 bucks, and that's here in November 2022. No real reason not to do it. Make sure you put your cap back on, make sure everything's in the right spot and tight. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I hope that you found this video useful. We'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed weekend.